Yes, diving here, April 22nd at Journey. Normally do an after clean video. We got it cleaned up and looking good. I do want to just take note of paint getting thin on the water line. I do not want to make that worse, so I just took off the bulk of the algae. And there's going to be just a tiny bit left behind. If I go through and try and get all that off, it's going to really tear through that paint quick. And there is, on the very front of the keel, the paint's also gotten thin and a little bit on the sides. But besides that, she's looking good. Let's go take a look. But I just noticed that your keel along the hole is cracked. It doesn't look severe, but TS diving. Thank you.